Okay, I'm going to be using my existing case, the Lian Li PC-A70. It is very old. I got it in 2010. As you can tell, it still has the spots here for 5.25-inch drives, and also has a cage for 3.5-inch hard disk, which is removable. It's very large. You can fit in 2 power supplies, one at the bottom, one at the top. The wheels are optional parts that I purchased separately, as well as this converter bay for 3.5 to fit a 5.25-inch bay. This one is a hard disk switch selector because I plan on using my hard disk and swap them out in and out because I got plenty of them without having to open the case. This is a cold cathode ray. I got it around the same time as this case, so I'm going to be using that too. I've plugged in all the power cables in. So fortunately this one is long. This one I won't be using this power cable, so I can tuck that in. Nice. Fortunately there's space in here so I can hide the cold cathode tube rays, which I've threaded through this power hole by removing the power switch, put it in, screw it back on. Can't be bothered to spray this black. Okay, this is my existing power supply unit, the Seasonic SS-1000XP. Hopefully it can still power my case, because you can see it has IDE. I got this thing at the same time around this case, so it's pretty old. So hopefully it can still, plug into my new motherboard. So to put it in the case, I just have to remove the mounting plate from here and screw on the screws onto the power supply and then slide it in, and it'll rest on this bit here. Right, power cable in for the hard disk is sorted, and then to the next step. Thanks for watching.